Hi, beautiful people. So it's Father's Day today. Also, I filmed a vlog na before this, but I don't think that's gonna come out kasi masyado akong vulnerable on that one. And, too much feelings. No. So, ang ginawa ko nun sa unang vlog ko is kumain lang ako ng lemon cupcake because I love lemon. And papakita ko sa inyo yung cupcake ko. So, ayan. So, kakain ulit ako niya mamaya. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a haul, of course. Pero yun nga, what I was talking about, I was talking about um, reassurance. Assurance on my other vlog. And then, ano kasing kunento ko. So, I don't think lalabas yun. So, eto na lang, i-filter na lang natin kung ano yung sasabihin ko dito. But like, guys, kasi ako, I'm the type of person that I don't really sit down with my feelings, and like I'm also not good with words. Feeling ko, you guys know that naman na I'm not good with words. And sometimes I really, really want to show that I care, or like I want to show more emotions. But my physical being, parang, parang, my physical being doesn't allow me to. Parang, I don't know. I show my affection through gifts. You guys know that. I'm a gift-giving girl. Like, yun talaga yung love language ko. Kasi nga, hindi ko talaga kaya kasi din mag-show ng affection. Verbally. Physically. Physically, medyo. But like, verbally, no. Through words, I can't. So, ayun. So, thoughts on assurance is, as someone who doesn't give it, ang kapal ko din kasi na i-crave yun. Like, ugh. Ang hirap niya kasi, I mean like, mahirap talagang hindi mag-isip, 'di ba? Like, mahirap talagang hindi isipin yung mga bagay-bagay na, what if, ganito, ganyan. Or like, if ever man na, ano, like, if ever man na, like, may nangyari, ganito, ganyan. Tapos parang, syempre, mapapaisip ka na agad na baka, oh my God, they don't like me anymore. Oh my God, they must hate me. Pero they don't. And some people, oh my God, sobrang kudos ako sa people na, ano, na-articulate talaga nila yung thoughts nila and yung emotions nila, and na-explain talaga nila yung sarili nila. Kasi parang I really can't do that. Tapos, yun nga, I also struggle with giving assurance and also receiving it. Kasi, I mean like, I would believe you naman if you assure me, yan. Pero, like, maaano muna ako eh. Like, kakainin muna ako ng sistema bago ko. Like, kakainin muna ako ng sistema kasi hindi ko nga I mean like, hindi ako magko-confront. I am not confrontational. Like, I won't ever confront you about something. Even if it's killing me na, wala kang maririnig sa akin. So, kung may contest lang dito, kung palakasan lang magkim-kim, tapos ako yung kalaban nyo, umuwi na lang kayo. Pero yun. So, ayun nga. Kasi nga, something happened lately with someone. And, I don't know if that's his way of showing assurance or not. Or I don't know. But like, no, iiyok ako. No. Pero ayun nga. Like, assurance, sobrang important niya pala, in communication. I mean, like, in communicating. Tapos, ayun. Wait, nasabi ko na bang Happy Father's Day? It's Father's Day today. Happy Father's Day to all fathers out there. So, ayun. Ayun nga. So, assurance is important in communicating. Lalo na if ano talaga siya. No, guys. Oh my god. See, this is what I mean when I say I can't articulate my thoughts enough. Like, I really do want to say something, but like, the words are not coming out. But do you guys get me? Ayun lang. So, feeling ko din kasi, pag yung assurance, like, parang you don't have to ask for it. Feeling ko ha. I mean, sa akin, kasi nga, this is how I am. Feeling ko, that's not something you ask for. It should be given talaga na automatic na dapat talagang nire-reassure ka. Kasi nakakabaliw din naman, no? So, sobrang daming uncertainty dito sa mundo, lalo na in this generation. And I feel like, dapat talaga, nagbibigay kayo ng assurance sa mga taong nasa buhay nyo. I can't even put a label on it kasi, wala ko nun. Pero yun. Okay. So mad. Also, ang first kong i-haul ay ang new Sunny's Flask ko. Meron akong Sunny's Flask before, di ba? Kaso naiwanan ko ngayon sa kotse ng aking ka-situationship. And nahihiya akong ihingin pabalik. Baka ginagamit na ng mama niya yun. Or ng kapatid niya or ng sino. And it's okay. So, eto. My bottle is... Tapos yung flask ko pa na naiwan, may name ko pa yun. Gisette. So, of course, my flask is tan-tan-tan-tan, color green. Kaya dito ko nasa taas pinalagay yung name ko. It's green. Green. And the boot is in this color. This is the wasabi ata. The wasabi color. Nila. Pebble cup is... wait lang yung loop. So, guys, ako kasi, I've been using that flask since I started working. And sobrang nagsistay kasi, I mean like, tumatagal kasi yung yellow doon. Parang yung yellow ko ngayon, maabot siyang gas kinabukasan. So, kudos sa Sunny's. May ayun. Tapos parang ngayon lang nga. Kasi nga parang, minsan nga nag-crave talaga ako ng assurance. Hindi ba kayo ganun? Kasi feeling ko lahat naman tayo ganun. Feeling ko lahat din naman kasi tayo. Pare-pareho nang pinagdadaanan. Kahit sabihin man natin na hindi ko kailangan yan. I'm a strong someone. Guys, pag 10 PM na, pare-pareho lang tayong nangungulila na. Next is, I got a new perfume from Zara. Guys, you know how much I love smelling like vanilla. This one is their vanilla capsule. I got the vanilla capsule, Lush Vanilla and Captivating Vanilla. So, I am so excited to use this. Bukas ko siya sa start gamitin. It's gonna be my everyday scent na for the office. So, next is... wait lang. Guys, do you know I have a mine tattoo here? What if it's written mine on my upper thigh, only in my... Ayan. So, bumili kasi kami ng gift ni Papa. Ang binili kong gift kay Papa is halves. And my free cooler. So, I love free stuff. And then, next is Uniqlo. Sale kasi ulit pala ngayon. So, bumili lang ako ng shirt. Basic shirt. And yung skirt na naman nila. This one, meron ako nabili dito, di ba? Yung gray. And then, I loved it. So, ayan. I got the black one. And then this skirt also. In white. And then 2 of this boxy polo na JW Anderson. Sale siya. It was 1 for 90 tapos 990 na lang siya. So, ayan. Sobrang dami ko pang ano. Siguro I have to do laundry na. I have to, yeah. Kailangan ko nang maglaba. Wala pa rin kaming kasambahay. It's been like 2 months na. So, ayun. Okay, that's it. And medyo wala pa rin akong sense. Pero sana magkaroon ako ng sense anytime soon. And also, sana matauhan na ako. Bye!